Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to make an Obby game in Roblox Studio. So I am back. I'm gonna try my best to upload frequently. But I made a video on 3 reasons of why I didn't upload for long. So go watch it if you don't know why I didn't upload. It's just the one before that one. This one. So yeah. But anyways, I'm gonna show you how to make a nice Obby game. So the first thing we wanna so Obby games are pretty easy to do. They're pretty easy games to code and stuff, you know. It's just building actually. It's a bit of scripting for like the kill breaks and moving parts and stuff, but it's just building. So take apart and we will start making our assets. So the assets that we will build right now is gonna be pretty useful when making our game. So yeah. So you can rename this part kill break, and by the way, make it non-can collide, or else the hitbox will be weird. So call it kill part. And now you can insert a script in it called kill. So now we can write in script.parent, which is the kill part, dot touched, so when the player touches it, and then connect function, and then hit, and then do local humanoid equals to hit dot parent find first child, which is a humanoid, or you can just do find first child, but I like to put which is a humanoid, because if your game has the humanoid of the player is named not humanoid, then it will still find it. So that's pretty cool. And do if hit and hit and humanoid, then humanoid.health equals to humanoid.health, well, equals to 0 actually, put it to 0. So we can test it out now. And so what the code does is it basically kills it, it makes your humanoid to 0 health, so it basically kills you. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So now we will make a moving part. So to make a moving part, we need one part, which is going to be the platform. So rename this part to platform. Right there, like that. Alright, here you go. Nice. Let's make it in 5, 0 to 5. Okay, a little bit bigger. Alright, so now what you want to do is you want to copy this part and make it wherever you want this part to go, basically. To stop. So this is going to be the finish. And make this part transparent and not can collide, because we don't want to see this part. It's just a marker for this part. So now you want to group them together, call this moving part, and then what you want to do is add in a script into the platform part and call it tween. So I'm gonna explain this. So you wanna do local tween service equals to game get service tween service. So right here we are getting the tween service, which is a service to make animations, like smooth animations for your part, which is very useful. I am using this service a lot personally. The local platform equals to script.parent, and the local finish equals script, not service, script.parent parent.finish. So now what we want to do is do the tween infos. So this is pretty simple too. So you do local tween infos equals to tween info dot new, and then click enter. So you'll see what I'm gonna do in there, but make sure, by the way, the name of your variable is not the same as this one. Okay, you don't want to put tween info with a capital T and I for the variable name. Just change one letter or do anything, but don't put the same. Alright, so the first number you want to put in this thing is it's basically the duration of the animation of your part. So how much seconds do you want the platform to make the animation? I want it to be pretty slow, so I'm gonna put 3 seconds. And as you can see, when you put a number, it says the number time, and then the easing style, easing direction, the number of repeat count, if the animation reverses, and the delay time between each animations. So now we need to do the easing style. By the way, make sure you put a comma except at the last one. So enum.easing style dot, I want to make this linear. Linear is basically just linear. I don't know how to explain, but you'll see. It's just like a normal moving platform style. So yeah. So now the easing direction, I'm gonna do out, and then it's the number repeat count. If you wanted to make it like infinite, you can do -1. Alright, so I'm gonna do -1, and then if the animation reverses, I'm gonna put true, because I want it to be going forward and backwards. And then the number delay time to each animation, well, I'm gonna put 0, 1, actually 1, so people have time to jump to the next platform. So this is good for the tween infos. By the way, if you want, you can do in all, like everything in the same line. Okay, you can do like 3 and stuff. It works too. Alright. So now what we want to do is do local. So this part of the script will basically create the tween. So local tween equals to tween service create. So we'll create a tween with the tween service. So the first thing you want to put in the parentheses is basically the object or the thing you want to make the animation to, like in. So I wanna make the animation with the platform, right? This is basically it's the part you want to make the animation. Okay. All right. So then you can do tween infos. We are giving to the tween our infos that we put. And then what you want to do is do comma, and then pointy parentheses, which is a table for the platform's properties. Just type the name of the property. So I want the C frame to move, right? The C frame is basically the position and the rotation at the same time. Do equal to finish the C frame. So we want to move our platform position to the position of the finish. It's pretty simple, right? And now all you want to do is do tween play. That's it. You just want to play the tween. Alright? If you don't play the tween, it won't work. So make sure you put the tween. You play the tween. And now you should see that if we run the game, I'm not gonna go in, but you see? So it basically moves to the finish part, and then it goes back where it was. Alright? As you can see, the delay time is 1 second. Alright? Like, boom, it waits 1 second, and then it goes back. Alright? So that's good. Now we have two assets, which is pretty cool, right? So now we can make, well, that's it, I think. Well, we can make the same, but with the size, for example. Like it grows, you know. So make it growing. So duplicate the moving part model, and instead of that, you can do growing parts. By the way, my microphone, it's a new one, so it should like sound a little bit different, but it's fine. Actually, we don't need a model, we just need a part actually. So growing part. Alright, so now you can do grow, and we need the tween service too, so it's pretty simple. We don't need to finish because it's not a position, and we don't need this, so, and we just want to change the size, so keep it like this. And now you just want to make the size you want it to grow. I'm gonna make it like this. Should be pretty good, I think. Yeah, like this. So it becomes a cube, right? So copy the size. You can go back to where it was. Control Z. And then do vector free, because it's a vector free, which is like, I don't really know how to explain the vector free, but yeah, it is what it is. So yeah, so the size will become this, and actually it's actually pretty much it. We can run the game, and now it will slowly grow bigger. Oh yeah, so it will go from the center. So it's pretty easy. We just wanna do this, and now it'll grow probably. Nice. So as you can see, the tween service is actually something you will use a lot in your future codes. So a lot of developers use tween service because it's pretty nice. You know, it's very useful too. And I want to make this a little faster. To do that, it's very easy. Change the number time to 1, or actually 1. Now it grows a lot faster. Nice. So yeah, this is pretty cool. And now we can make a moving part, but to the top. It goes like, you know, top, bottom, does that, you know? So you can duplicate this, and it's actually very easy. You just want to change the position of the finished part, which is going to be up there, or wherever you want it to go. Yeah, so I think that's it, actually. That's all you have to do. Yeah, no, it's pretty cool, right? So now we can make a moving part 2. Why not? So now we can make a folder in the workspace and call it assets. This is your first asset pack. And put everything in the assets pack. Alright, pretty cool. So now we can start making our obby with these. So you can insert a part and we can start making our obby. So I'm gonna make a spawn area. So every, like, where everyone spawns, you know. So make a platform at 20 by 20. And I'm just gonna make it a little like this. Yeah. Alright, nice. So, I'm gonna make this part gray because it's the spawn. Now I can make a folder in the workspace called obby. This is going to be spawn parts and put it in the obby. Now insert a spawn location by clicking in model. Nice. This is going to be the moving platform. Alright, and now the moving platform number 2, which is the one that goes up, right? So I'm gonna make this one blue, cause why not? You know, blue is a nice color, right? Here you go. Right, so it should go pretty much here. Okay. So then we can make this like this and put it here. Yeah, nice. That's exactly what we want. And yeah, I think that's it. Maybe make it like that so when it goes here, then it goes like this one goes down here. It's like perfect timing, you know. Anyway, so then we can put a growing part here. It's going to be yellow. And I can put another one here, which is going to be a little bigger, and etc. And let's put a normal part, sorry, here. Let's make a few more kill bricks. Come on, here you go. And let's make a kill brick wall. Nice. Then let's make what? This, and we can put a part on it, and you need to jump on the part to not touch the lava, for example. And here we go. And now we can get the spawn part. By the way, we don't need the assets anymore, so put everything of the assets in the obby. Because everything is in the obby now, so yeah. So, I get the spawn part, and this is going to be the finish part. Delete the spawn location, rename this part to finish part, and here we go. Now, if you want to make a sign set to say GG, you can make a part, call it nothing. Well, nice. Boom. Make it a little bigger on the sides, and make sure they are anchored and can collide if you want to touch them. Alright, now rename this part to sign. Add in a surface GUI, text label. Put the background transparency to 1, size to 1, 0, 1, 0, so it takes the entire thing. Change the font if you want. Well, yeah. And then GG. Can duplicate it, call it text label shadow. Make this index of the normal text label to 2. And make sure the text label shadow's index is 1. And then make the text transparency to 0.5. Make the position to this number to 5. And the text color to 0, 0, 0. Now we have a nice text shadow. Can group everything. Rename it to sign. And here we go. You have a nice GG sign at the end of our obby. Now we can change this color to wood and this. Alright, nice. You can even rotate it a little bit if you want it to be do straight. Yeah, nice. Alright, so this is the end of our obby, and to not cheat, we will delete the base plate. Let's click play and let's test it out. So as you can see, it's pretty simple to make obbies. So we just wanna wait till the part comes. Jump over the things, and this part will go up, and this one will go up easier. And these are the growing platforms. And we have the kill brick wall. And by the way, I'm gonna make the entire obby bigger because it's very, very small. Also gonna make the, let's publish the game and call it obby tutorial for YouTube. Smiley face. Create and close this and go to avatar type R6. Avatar type R6 is a lot better for obbies because the collisions are a lot better and it's a lot smoother. By the way, I saw my cam sensitivity is a bit low. Right, nice. So a lot better now. We have a lot more space. So this is a pretty good obby. And if you, what is this? Oh, it's nothing, okay. But anyway, it's pretty cool, Oh, okay, yep. I failed. No, come back. Okay, I'm gonna have to wait. Come on, bro. By the way, I have a really good obby skills. If you don't know, I'm very good at obbies. I'm a pro. And I play a lot of Tower of Hell. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, so these are pretty tricky when they're big. Wow, that's pretty cool. You need to stand on the middle to not die. Alright, so now? No, okay, yep, so I'm gonna just gonna delete this because it's a bit hard. So I played a lot of Tower of Hell, but I don't anymore. And please come back. Okay, I had time. I didn't play Tower of Hell for so long. These are so tricky. Okay, and now we have, oh, that's, okay, and GG. We did it. Bro, I scaled everything and the sign is just so big. Can we go on it? No? Okay. What am I doing right now? Okay, oh wait, we can. I'm an idiot, sorry. So yeah, this is how we make an obby. Pretty nice obby, actually. You can make your own. I made a very small one and a very quick one, just, you know, to like, it's a tutorial. It doesn't need to be that big, like an entire game, you know. But yeah, this is just the basics to make a obby game. I hope you like it, and if you did, you can smash subscribe, smash like if you like the video, smash dislike if you don't, and I see you in the next one. Peace.